Hi, first grade. I wanted to show you how to get on Kidspiration and finish up your typing if you are not done. If you are done, you can do dance mat typing, and then you can have the choice of going to kindergarten or first grade links to have some free time if you're done with that. The substitute will not be printing today, but she's going to look it over to see that you have all of your spelling and everything in your period done correctly and your periods done. All right? Okay, so this is what you need to do. If you have to do this, you need to first of all make sure you are signed into OneDrive. See my little blue cloud? If you don't see a blue cloud, it's not going to happen, and I'll have to show you how to get in just a second. But if you do, you need to click on your little file folder, and you should be able just to go straight to OneDrive Unified School District and right here to how to make a snowman. And you can click on that to start it. If for some reason you don't have this here, you can go to downloads and see if it's there. Okay. I want you to be in OneDrive though to begin with. So if you only see this one without the Unified School District, we're going to have to make sure we log in. So you click, so double click it and just leave it alone. And it will start Kidspiration immediately. And so that's how you do it. And then don't forget, you want to stay above the pink line, click to start to type, and that's what I need you to do. All right. If you need to log in to OneDrive, then let me show you how you do that.